To convert a fraction to a decimal, you simply divide the numerator by the denominator. What that means is that in this problem, I'm going to take 4 and break it up into 5 equal pieces. An easy way to remember where each number goes is top in, bottom out, which means your numerator becomes the dividend and the denominator becomes the divisor. To divide this out, you can ask yourself, how many times can I count by 5 to get to 4? And the answer is 0. I can't ever count by 5s and get to 4. So 5 goes into 4 0 times. Notice how I lined that 0 up perfectly on top of that 4. Now that I'm out of numbers, I need to add a decimal and bring it up into my quotient. The reason I do this is because now I'm asking myself, how many times can 5 go into 40 tenths? 5 goes into 40 tenths 8 times, and 8 times 5 is 40. When I subtract, I'm left with 0, so what that means is that 4/5 is equal to 8 tenths. Let's do another one. To convert 2/3 to a decimal, we're going to follow the same pattern of dividing the numerator by the denominator. So we're taking this 2 and breaking it up into 3 equal pieces. Ask yourself, can I count by 3 to get to 2? 3, 6, 9, 12. No. I can't count by 3 to get to 2, so I'm going to put a 0 up and line it up. Then I can add a decimal, bring it up, and add a 0. This tells me now I'm looking at my tenths. So how many times can 3 go into 20 tenths? Or how many times can I count by 3 to get to 20? 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract it out, and I'm left with 2. I can't count by 3 to get to 2, I already tried that, so now I can add another 0 and bring it down. 3 goes into 20, well, we just did that. I can count by 3 6 times to get close to 20, and 6 times 3 is 18. I'm left with 2. This is an example where my number is going to repeat, so I can write a repeater bar, it's called a vinculum, and then I'm finished.